How liquidity influences market prices. PrimeAscendWay.net video script. Prices do not move only because buyers and sellers disagree. They also move because the number of active participants can change throughout the day. This is where liquidity becomes important. PrimeAscendWay.net explains liquidity as the ability to buy or sell an instrument without causing a major change in its price. A highly liquid market normally has many active participants. Buy and sell orders are available at different price levels, which can make transactions smoother and reduce the distance between quoted prices. A market with lower liquidity behaves differently. There may be fewer orders available, wider price differences, and faster movements when a larger order enters the market. One visible effect of liquidity is the bid-ask spread. The bid is the highest price a buyer is currently prepared to pay. The ask is the lowest price a seller is prepared to accept. The difference between them is called the spread. When liquidity is strong, the spread may become narrower because more participants are competing to buy and sell. When liquidity decreases, the spread may widen. Liquidity can also change according to the time of day. Different financial centers operate during different market sessions. Activity may increase when major sessions overlap because more institutions and participants are active at the same time. Economic announcements can temporarily change liquidity as well. Some participants may reduce activity before an important report. When the information is published, new orders can enter quickly and create stronger price movement. Another concept connected with liquidity is slippage. Slippage occurs when an order is completed at a different price from the one expected. This may happen when the market moves quickly or when there are not enough orders available at the requested level. PrimeAscendWay.net presents liquidity as a foundation for understanding market behavior. It helps explain why spreads change, why certain periods are more active, and why the same order can behave differently under different conditions. The purpose is not to predict the next movement. It is to understand the environment in which price movement takes place.